So the Early Stage Researchers Working Group started in May 2021 when some of us felt that there was a need to have a group aimed particularly at the growth and career development of early career researchers. We've held tutorials like how to build a cohort that was led by Azza Shoaibi, how to start a network study, which was presented by Jacob Zelko, and also like what is the patient level prediction package and how can we use it? That was led by Ross Williams. And so we've invited people in the community who have volunteered to provide their expertise so that other people who are new to these topics can openly ask questions. And we've also worked with Kristen Koska at the Root Institute to brainstorm ways to advance data science education and to like make improvements to the Book of Odyssey. Next slide, please. But recently we've started working closely with Paul Nagy at Johns Hopkins University and Mark Suchard at UCLA to transform this working group into a speaker series. We have 1-hour meetings every month, and we want to dedicate that time to focus on career perspectives. So there are people from numerous career paths in Odyssey, both academia and industry, and we plan to have one speaker at each meeting come and talk about what they do, how they got there, opportunities that they sought that others should as well, what makes their career path unique, maybe what roadblocks they faced, and in general, what skills and expertise were helpful to them, and advice on navigating that field. So the goal is to keep this conversational and welcoming, and we plan to alternate our speakers so that we're giving all of you or the community a wide perspective. For example, 1 month we might have someone who talks about their career in statistical methods, and the next month we might invite someone who is in the clinical domain, like a physician. So we will be asking guest speakers to talk about, again, how they got to their current position, maybe how long they've worked in the industry, and for clinical researchers, how did you navigate being in both medicine and patient care, but also getting funding for projects that you were interested in. So we're hoping that we can give early stage researchers just a collection of advice on career strategies, and we just want to promote student career readiness and lead members to potentially full-time or part-time or internship opportunities that are available in the community. And we want to broaden their awareness of career paths that exist, as well as allow them to ask questions. So I guess overall, like in summary, we've transformed this working group to equip early stage researchers to take on new opportunities in their work, and to just be aware of the different directions that they could move in to be successful in their career. So we're hoping to seek the wisdom of Odyssey mentors and longtime professionals to structure student goals. Next slide, please. So our next monthly meeting is on August 8th at 11 a.m. Eastern. And we're really honored to have Assia Golazar as our first guest. Assia was a Titan Award winner, and she will be reflecting on her career. And we really hope to see as many of you there to ask questions and learn. If you have questions in the meantime, feel free to email Ross and I or message us in MS Teams, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you for your time.